So what I have here are stock cats going to one resonator. So they have previously done this. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, here. So we have the stock cats. This is the stock exhaust pipes, and it goes into one welded in aluminized pipe here, and then from here downstream further it goes into this resonator. Let me get closer to it. So I don't know if it focuses in on this. Excuse me. But it is called a Aero exhaust resonator. I looked it up on eBay. So it's an Aero exhaust resonator. Sorry for the focus. It's just not focusing here. There we go. You can see that better. So it's an Aero resonator coming from this aluminized pipe that was just welded in. So it goes from the twin pipes from the stock exhaust manifold, and it snugs down to this one collector that they welded to this Aero resonator. And then from the Aero resonator it goes again to a Y split, and basically it's just twin pipes that come up the back. Yep. So I picked this up. This is a 2008. This is actually a second-hand truck that I picked up. It had this exhaust already. It sounds really good. I kind of like how it sounds. But again, I think it's just missing that low end or mid-range torque. I already do have a Bully Dog GT Premium fuel map. I did advance time 2 degrees. Took out the wide throttle restriction off. So I kind of know what to expect with that map. Throttle sensitivity is on extreme, so there's a lot of punch from the start. You know, that's basically because the computer just manipulates the TPMS. I'm sorry, not the TPMS, but the throttle position sensor, so that's more sensitive. So at light throttle, is just telling the car to open up exhaust more. So it's really responsive. But again, it just, you know, I just lose a lot of low end and top, and I'm sorry, low end and mid range. So let me get into the truck, start it up for you so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. I'll back it up a little so it's not too close. To the truck. And you can get a sense of what it sounds like. And I'll do some throttle blips and everything. So let me get into the truck. So that's what it sounds like. So it does have twin tips. Reason why I bought the JBA2 is that right now everything seems to, you know, it's looking a little old. Everything's rusted. I do have twin tips on it. That's one, that's two. You can see that the tailpipes are rusted or really rusty. But yeah, it sounds good. So let me do another video with this, me driving in the car. You can kind of get a sense of what it sounds like.